Alright, well here's my bike. I bought this bike 25 years ago. It's a Trek 830. I took it into the shop and got a full tune-up on it. Brand new tires, brand new cables, brand new hand grips, new chain, new derailleur, brand new seat. Check the seat out. This is badass. Good split. When you sit on it, oh, it's so comfortable. It's made for a man, I'll tell you that. But yeah, I'm getting ready to take it out on some trails pretty soon. Just waiting for them to dry up a little bit. And hopefully get some cool video of it. So stay tuned. Like and subscribe to my channel.